Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you 5 Google Ads mistakes that are almost certainly burning your budget right now. Most businesses running ads are making at least 3 of these. Let's go through each one so you know exactly what to do. The first one, broad match with no negative. When you use broad match keywords, Google shows your ads to people who aren't really looking for you. Let's say, for example, you're a plumber running the keyword repair. Could show up for computer repair because both computer repair, plumber repair, it could pop up, or car repair. So what you need to do to fix this is you need to use phrase match or exact match. You can easily do that by going to your Google Ads account, click on campaigns, and you can fix it from audience, keywords, and content. So that's the number one mistake you need to fix. And the second one is sending traffic to your home page. So your home page is for everyone. Your ad audience is a specific person with a specific intent. If someone clicks an ad for emergency plumber and lands on your homepage about all your services, they will definitely leave. So what you need to do is you need to create a dedicated landing page that matches exactly what the ad promised. So you need to have a headline, you need to have the key benefits and one call to action. How a good landing page should look like. So this is a website where I just built the purpose for of this video. So you can see our homepage website, and this is how website needs to look like. So service, about us, service area, blog, testimonials, contacts. So you can see local plumbing experts. So this is exactly how a website should look like. Listing all your services. Can you see? You can see basically this is the flow. Testimonial, tips and advice, service area. So these are the area where you run your services. And now I will show you how a landing page should look like. So this is how a landing page should look like. It should have lead form, it should have one call to action and a sense of urgency. You can see emergency plumber available now. Average response time 47 minutes. So the lead or the potential client already knows that, oh, when I send them my details, they will contact me between or within 47 minutes. So this is how a landing page should look like. So the fourth, running ads 24/7. If you're a low business, just like the one I gave as an example, a plumber, you probably can't take calls at 2 a.m. but your ads might still be running. Use a ad link to run ads only when your business is open and you can respond to leads. You will cut wasted spend immediately. So let's say your working hours, you work between 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. So it's ideal for your ads to run between that time frame. So you could cut your ad spend. So the fifth mistake is ignoring Google score. Google score is Google's rating of how relevant your ad is to the keyword. A low quality score means you pay more per click than your competitors. So improving it by making your ad quality closely match your keyword and making your landing page match your ad. Higher quality score equals lower cost per click. So just like the landing page I showed you, so your landing page, your keyword, your copy should actually match, it should actually be in sync. So that will reduce your cost per lead as well. So if you're running Google Ads and you want an expert to review your account for free, we offer free ad account audit at searchdigital.com. We will tell you exactly what's in money and what to do instead. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for more marketing content.